Hello and welcome to our first little video regarding Fiji or ImageJ and how to analyze a rock sample. So first of all, I want to introduce how to get Fiji or ImageJ. Therefore, just type in Fiji to Google, and there it is. Fiji is just ImageJ, and after a short period, we can just download it under Content, Downloads, and then just pick a platform, in our case Windows 64-byte, and then after we download it, let's skip this here, we got such a folder, we can open it, and we can start Fiji. Okay, this is our toolbar, and now we have to open a scene section, for example this one. And this is the scene section we want to analyze today. And as we see, we have different mineral phases, and we want to separate them and to analyze them. So what we also see is this one. This is a scale bar. So for the analyzation, we need the scale, but we have also to crop this out because Fiji or ImageJ is analyzing black or white color, and it would analyze this also. So let's first set the scale bar. So we zoom in, and we see this is 100 micrometer, and we just put this line exactly as long as this bar, and then we go to analyze and set scale, and then we see the distance in pixel we just measured here. And what we know is that this is in real 100 micrometer. So we set the scale to global so that we can use it afterwards. Okay, so that's it. So now we can go back to the layer and just go to edit, go to rectangle tool, just put this angle out, and then we go to image and then to crop. Okay, now we get this file, but first of all we should save this file as a TIFF file so we can analyze it and don't mess up with our original file. So what is the next step? The next step is that you go to image, then we go to adjust, and then we go to threshold. And now we can set the threshold and we can separate the mineral phases. For example, we can separate the biotite with this threshold. Okay, or we can say, okay, I don't want this, I want the quartz phases. This, and we see that we get a lot of noise, and it's going to say, okay, this looks good. Okay, so far so good. We say, okay, I like this. Say, okay, this is good. Okay, we just got the noise, so we reduce this. Okay, this looks nice. Just goes there. Okay. Then we say apply. I see, okay, we got the quartz phases. That's really nice, but we also got these other phases. We don't want to have them. So we need a tool to fix this. So we go to add process, and go to files, and there we have several different types of filters. And for example, this maximum filters increases every point, but this looks a little bit messed up. So in other case, we need the median filter. And as we see here, if we play a little bit around, we see, okay, 1 is not so good, 2 is nearly erasing everything. Okay, and if you go to 3, yeah, then nearly everything is, but it grows, it grows, it grows, and therefore this is not the best interpretation. Okay, so let's go to 2. Okay. And then we just have to do some handwork and erase these remaining points. Just right click there, then you can use this tool. Okay, this would take nearly forever. Not forever, but too long for YouTube video, and therefore I will open a file that is already fixed, and so we get this. Of course, we can also erase these little points here, but this is personal interpretation. You can put the original file on the other side and then just look what are quartz grains, what are no quartz grains, and then you can erase them. Okay, so what we're doing now? So now we want to measure how many of the space is covered with black color and our quartz spaces. So we go to analyze, we go to just to measure, and so we got this result. Okay, we just got these numbers, and then we can just copy these numbers into our Excel sheet, and then we see that we have, go to the right, is okay, 30% of the area is covered with these black particles, and so we go to our Excel sheet and just fill in for our quartz. Just prepare this. Right. Okay. And then these just I analyze this for the others, black class, calculates biotype, and then he's just calculating out the biotype, and then he's just numbering. And so we have this number now. And we just go into a Streckeisen diagram, put the value for the quartz in there, and then we got this point. Okay, that's nice. So we can go to the Streckeisen diagram and see, okay, this is a rhyolite, of course a granite. Okay, that's it for the moment, and I hope you liked my first little video.